In today's episode of Taste of the Town, I'm in Sunrise, Florida at Don Pan Bakery. If you guys visit the Sawgrass Mills, you definitely need to check out Don Pan Bakery, Deli and Cafe, which is located on the outskirts of the mall, but on the south side of the mall. They have really amazing sweet treats and savory treats. One of the most delicious items, the savory items that I go here for, is their Venezuelan chicken empanadas. It's like so delicious, and it comes with this cilantro sauce that you put with it when you eat it, and it just, the flavors that you get when you eat this is like mind-blowing. So you guys have to try this. And the other items that they carry, they also have fresh juices, they make coffees, they have teas, they have breakfast items, lunch and sandwiches, a whole range of products. The best part about this bakery is they sell these delicious dessert items, from their tartlets that is topped with fresh fruits to their tiramisu, which is to die for, the best tiramisu that I've ever tasted. Their diplomat, which is a creme caramel on top of a cake soaked in a syrup. Here's the fruit tarts I was telling you guys about. These are so delicious. That fresh fruit with that sweet pastry cream and that crunchy tart shell. They have a wide array of desserts, as you guys can see. The charlotte is delicious. Everything is delicious. My favorite, I'm telling you, the opera cake is really good. Their flan is really good. I highly recommend you try every single one of their desserts. So what I do is every time I always interchange and get something new, because the variety is so wide that it's difficult to choose. Now the price for these desserts are $2.65 each, and if you wanted an entire cake, those are also available to order, or they also carry them in the store where you can just go and select one. Now, not all would be available, but you would have to order if you need a special cake. So guys, all of you who come down to Florida and come to Sawgrass Mills and you visit here often, please check out this place. It's like a hidden gem and I really love it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.